Okay, what we have here is Agua de Kefir. Looks like a cactus to me. Hibiscus granata. Oh boy, this ought to be fun. It's nice and cold, and particularly thirsty right now. Let's see how this works. And that's kind of the color of it. It's carbonated. It's not too bad. Hibiscus granata. Yeah, this hits the spot.
What kind of flavors you?
It tastes sort of strawberry-ish to me, some kind of fruit flavor.
Mm-hmm.
I'll try a little more.
Is it super sweet or is it subtle?
It's highly carbonated. I wouldn't say subtle. It's sort of got a little bit of bitterness involved in it. So I wouldn't say it's super sweet either. It's a different kind of taste. And this is obviously a plant that I'm not familiar with. But yeah, if I had to, normally I don't drink carbonated items, but if I had to have this, I wouldn't have a problem with it.
What if you're in the desert and all they have is carbonated water?
In the desert, probably all they have is this, and it's not cold. So, in the desert, it might be a different story. It might be a question of surviving. So it's like cactus water or something. And it's got a desert hydration. This is the stuff. Tenemos un agua de kefir. Es maravilloso.